So here's how to add signature in PDF file in mobile. Starting off, let's open up the Adobe Acrobat application on the phone. Here, tap on Sign in with Google. You can also choose to sign in with your other accounts. Select the Google account you want to sign in with from here. As you can see, you are now in the Adobe homepage. Here, you can view your recent, start, and on-device files. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the plus icon as shown. Tap on Open File. Select a file to open from here, for example, Recent. Here, you can view all your recent files. Now select the PDF file from here. You can now view this PDF file. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Fill and Sign. Then tap on the signature icon at the bottom right corner. Here, select Add Signature. You can now add your signature over here. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top right corner. Tap anywhere over the PDF file to place the signature. Once you've placed your signature, tap on the tick icon at the top left. And that's it. You can now easily add signature in PDF file in mobile.